Today we're going to make this fish. I'm using sea bass. You could use a different fish, no problem if you want. We're going to make a lemon, garlic, butter sauce. It's really, really easy. Perfect fish every time. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so the fish that I'm using today is sea bass. You could use a different fillet of fish if you want. That's about 500 grams or about a pound. So we're going to make some seasoned flour. What I've got there is about 3 or 4 tablespoons of plain wheat flour. You can use a different flour if you want. And then about a teaspoon each. I've got turmeric, thyme, paprika, black pepper and salt. You can see I'm using a pink Himalayan salt. Now you can put something else in there if you want, cumin powder, curry powder, you know, take it in the direction that you like. Simply just give that a little mix. And then very simply what we're going to do is we're going to get this flour, we're going to put it on our fish, we're going to turn it over, do the same on the other side, and we're going to get all the edges in as well. Just want to kind of lightly dust that off. I mean, there's going to be plenty of excess seasoned flour, which you need to throw away because we're dipping it into this fish. It won't store very well. Getting all the ends in, getting the sides done, beautifully dusted. So I've got my pan here. You're going to need a little bit of oil, not too much oil, just like a tablespoon or so. I'm using olive oil, but you can use a different oil if you want. I mean, some people say you should never heat olive oil, but there you go, such is life. Right, let's grab our fish and just drop that in like that. So just a small amount of oil at this stage and on just a medium heat. So it's like 3 minutes or so just on that side, and then we're going to flip it and go for the same on this side now. So that's been going about 7 minutes in total, like 3 or 4 minutes aside. Let's just flip that over one more time. Now turn off the heat and just leave it for a minute, 2 minutes. So the reason we've turned the heat off is because that pan was really hot. I don't want to burn this butter, so I've got maybe 2 tablespoons of butter. In that goes. You can still, there's still heat from that pan, even though it's been off for about a couple of minutes. If it was raging hot, the butter's just going to burn and not be so good. Here I've got about 3 cloves of sliced garlic. Chop it much smaller if you want. Now we're going to put the heat back on to below medium. And we're going to go for about 3 or 4 more minutes. I'll be basting the fish and moving the garlic. So that's looking absolutely beautiful. We're going to add a 1/4 cup or the juice of 1 lemon in there. A little bit of chopped parsley. And then we're just going to go for 3 more minutes. And you've done it. Perfect, perfect lemon, garlic, butter fish. And there you have it. Fantastic. Really, really simple. Really, really delightful. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook. $3.99, very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.